When we make these implant-supported bridges, whether they be an immediate load or whether this be after the implants have healed several months down the road, depending on the size and the shape of the bridge, oftentimes we have to design a titanium bar that actually fits onto the implants. Then the bridge is bonded to that titanium bar. So it gives us the aesthetic qualities of the zirconia that we're using, plus the strength of the titanium bar. So we can do that in our laboratory. We have the technology to design and mill the titanium bars, and then we can design and mill the zirconia bridge that is attached to the bar. So we can do that right here in our laboratory. It can all be done same day. Then we have the strength of the titanium plus the aesthetic qualities of the zirconia.